Be cautious while working with electricity. Mishandling of electricity may be injurious to health. Keep children out of it. Welcome everyone. This is your GTES. In this video, we are going to discuss about the smart home automation using Nodemcu. Before getting into this project, these are all the materials required. For this project, you need to buy 3 major materials: jumper wire, Nodemcu board and relay board. These 3 are available in online. Now we can make the projects by step process. Now we can start with step 1. Step 1 is nothing but Arduino programming sequence. Before we are getting into the program, we should install the Arduino software. For installing the software, there is a link in the description. From that you can download and install. That's the latest version. Now I am going to open the software. On opening, it will be like this. After opening, certain features will be not available, so we need to install that features. Nodemcu board will be not available in the software, so for that we need to click tools. Inside tools, we need to go into the board manager. In the board manager, we need to type ESP8266. In that, install option will come. We need to install. It will take certain amount of time for installing. Now Nodemcu setup is installed. Now again we need to go into the tools and we need to select the board. The board I am going to use is Nodemcu 1.0 version. So in that bitrate will be somewhat higher. Now we have selected the board Nodemcu. After selecting that, we need to go inside manage libraries. In that we need to type Blink, BLYNK, which is an cloud application. For that we need to install. Now install option will come. I have already installed. If it is not there, means you need to install. After installing Blink configuration, we need to close that windows. Now we can move on to third sequence. Now download the folder in the description. After downloading, first you need to open the programming file, Arduino file. Click OK. It will open. After that you need to add two libraries which are in zip file. For that you need to go into sketch. Inside sketch you need to search the 2 libraries what I have sent. After searching it, you need to open the both. Automatically it will get configured. After completion of the following setups, we are moving on to the second step, which is an configuration of Blink, both application oriented and online oriented. Now open the browser and type Blink. That first link is the official website. We need to click that one. It will direct to the official website. The official website will be like this. Now in this website we need to click start for free option. In that it will redirect to the sign up page. In that we need to sign up by using our Gmail ID. On sign up option, after creating password, it will send an confirmation mail to our mail ID. On opening it, our account with the Blink will be activated. So after activation, we need to log in by using our mail ID and password. After logging on, it will be like this. Now in Blink, the smart home .NET 7 is my already created project. Now I am going to show how to create new project. For that we need to create a template. For that we need to select template icon. In the template icon I am selecting ESP8266 board, which is a Nodemcu board. Now I am naming my template. After naming, I am clicking save. Now my template is created. In template creation we need to add data stream. These are the settings for data stream. In that we need to select virtual input. Then following setting has to be done. After doing this, click create. Now data stream is created. After creating data stream, at the top there is a overall save button, so we need to click it. Now our template is created. Now we need to create devices. So for that we have already template. What template we have created, that we need to open. Now this is the status of our dashboard. Now by using this dashboard only, we are going to create our device for home automation. Now we need to copy our Blink authentication token which was created. After copying this, we need to paste in the program. Notice the line where I am pasting. There only the ID has to be pasted. It is an unique ID from Blink. Now this part is completed. Now we are moving to second sequence. In that we need to download Blink application in mobile from Google Play Store. This is the application. So before downloading application, please ensure, because old version it will not work for this program. I have already installed this application. Now I am going to open this. On opening application, we need to select the project that we have created in our website. So in that we need to add switches and buttons. So follow this procedure. In this we have already created our data stream. So switch is our data stream which we have created. So now our button type is switch. So we need to select switch. This orange indication, when it is on, it will show orange indication. If not, that indication it will not show in display. So now our button is created, which is an on and off switch. Now I am enlarging its size. Already previous created switch I am removing it, so there will be no disturbance. This is our switch, virtual switch, which we have created. By this, step 2 is completed. Now we are moving on to step 3, which is uploading the program to Nodemcu board. Before uploading the program to the board, ensure the SSID and Wi-Fi password. After that, press upload. Here SSID is nothing but our Wi-Fi name, and our Wi-Fi's password is password from hotspot or Wi-Fi device in which we have created. Now we are moving on to final step, which is a hardware connection. As per this circuit, connection has to be done. After connecting, it will be like this. So I am going to give you a brief explanation. This is Nodemcu board, this is relay board. Then I have connected lamp to the relay board. So for that I took 230 volt supply. Then for Nodemcu board and relay board I have gave 5 volt supply from mobile charger, and from the Nodemcu board I have given supply to the relay board. Now I am controlling it through Wi-Fi. Now it is wireless communication. Now switching of appliances can be done through Wi-Fi from anywhere by using Blink application. This is the basic concept of home automation, smart home automation. Since there is a delay in program, so here it is working with delay. Now night mode on.
Skype here.